Ekene m unu. Ekene m nwoke, kene nwanyị. Wee na-asị nke onye chiri ya zelu. Ọ na-asị ka tata bụ ụbọchị orie gbara anyị gba. Asị nke orie tata retara anyị ndụ, retara anyị udo, retara anyị ha akụ akụ n'ihe nwa nwa, retara anyị agam n'iru, retara anyị ọmụmụ nwoke ọmụmụ nwaanyị, ihe akụ akụ ihe nwa nwa, udo n'iru udo n'azụ. Ana m asị ka chi anyị gọzie anyị, ka mmụọ niile anyị na ha so biwa gọzie anyị, ka ezumezu mmụọ niile anyị na ha so gọzie anyị, ka ụzọ anyị bụrụ ụzọ awele, ka anyị gbuo n'iru ka anyị bute ihe ọma, ka anyị gbuo n'azụ ka anyị bute ihe ọma, ka anyị gbuo n'aka nri n'aka ekpe anyị bute ihe ọma. Onye ọbụla na-achụ anyị ga-ada, ọ bịara igbu anyị ga-egbu onwe ya. Ọ fụrụ anyị agba aja ga-eji si ya wee zere aja. Ọfụ udo ka m na-agụ wee sị ya dịrị nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị mma, dịrị ikwu mma dịrị ibe nwa. Tata bụ orie na afọ na nkwọ na eke na afọ na nọ n'ụbọchị na-anọ ise. Abụ m onye nke gị Nwada Gbara Ọma Ụzọ Mmiri. Abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụ onye isi nchụaja na Gbara Ọma ọdịnala tempụl nke dị n'Enugu steeti. Anyị na-agbasi afọ ike na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, na-enyere ụmụ Igbo aka ime eziokwu gbasara ọdịnala, maka na ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ na ụzọ eziokwu. Zitere m ozi na WhatsApp nọmba m na 07037311163, ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ka agbaalụ gị afa rụrụ ọrụ gị ọrụ mmụọ, ma ị kpọọ m na 09166911575. Isiokwu nji wee bịa tata bụ the benefit of spiritual protection and fortification. Protection and fortification, spiritual protection and spiritual fortification. Protection is primary, while fortification is secondary. Ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye Igbo na ị chọrọ ime ọdịnala mesi ọdịnala ike, you have to stand very firm. Your two legs have to be very, very solid on the ground, so as to be able to gain that which you have been desiring to get. Fortification is not protection, like is the higher class of protection. When you align yourself with your forces, automatically, as you are doing the alignment, you are seeking for their protection. Chekwebe m n'ajọ mmụọ, chekwebe m n'ajọ mmadụ. Chebe m n'aka ndị iro, chebe m n'aka ndị ajọ mmụọ na ndị ajọ mmadụ. These are libations. These are your words, your affirmations, your declaration, what you say as you make peace with your forces. Automatically, as you are making this declaration while making libations to them, you seek for that protection. But fortification is deeper than protection. But fortification is an exercise. Fortification is an exercise. You gather different herbs. You gather different roots, if possible. You gather different parts of animals. You join them together. You command it. You speak life into it. You speak power into it. Then you use it on your client. That is called fortification. The benefit of going for fortification is this: it is going to preserve you. I know that some people will start saying that it is God that preserves someone, that if God decides not to preserve you, that no amount of charm that you put that will make you to live long. My dear, they work. That is the reason why during the time of our fathers, They lived longer than we, the present generation. Our fathers lived longer than us because they are in good alignment with their forces and they are properly fortified. That you are saying that it is Jesus that protects, it is this one, that there is no power in all those, is because they have not tried you. If one evil man who is what in your place try you, you will start reasoning in the same direction with me. Fortification is important in your life because now I'm 24 hours. And one thing that people don't know about fortification, Eunice, good afternoon. I greet you. One thing that people don't know about fortification is that we think that we fortify once. We we think that we fortify once. No, fortification is not once. Maka na ebe ịma nke a, ịma nke ọzọ. Ọ dibịa na-agwọ, dibịa na-atọ, dibịa na-ekechi, dibịa ọzọ na-eke. That is the reason why uche gị ga-adị n'ihe ị na-eme. Your mind has to be constantly there. You have to have it in mind that as you are doing sacrifices, good afternoon, I greet you. As you are doing sacrifices for your ways to be open, be ready to face the challenges that will come with it. Because in our society today, we do not like good things. But that thing no dey sweet us. In our society, our land has been conquered by evil men and evil women. So when you pray for prosperity, when you pray for protection without fortifying yourself, it is incomplete. When you pray for money, when you pray for a good husband, when you pray for a good wife, and they finally bring that person your way, and you don't fortify yourself, the higher class of protection is fortification, and you don't fortify yourself, they will bring you down. I know of a man that started building Hawundioka. And before that building could reach up to the window level, they have already buried something for him there. He's still having problem. Trying to sort himself out. Somebody, as in somebody, stylishly kidnapped his first daughter. Currently now they are in search of that girl. Had it been he protected himself, had it been he fortified himself, had it been he did the necessary things that he was supposed to do at the right time, would all these things happen? One thing is that you are suffering, that you are tying witchcraft spirit, that you are spoiling charms that they use to tie you from prospering or from progressing rather. That you are trying to get rid of those things without you backing yourself up. If you spoil the charm wey they do, say make you no progress. My brother, my sister, if you start progressing, that person will kill you. That person will kill you. So you just have to have this at the back of your mind, that as you are praying for progress, as you are seeking for protection from your forces, from the libations that you make to them, also fortify yourself. So we say, ahụ m anaghị anabata ọgwụ, ahụ m anaghị anabata ịke ọgwụ, ahụ gị anaghị anabata ịke ọgwụ, mana emere gị negative ọgwụ na ọ na-awọ gị. Ọ onye ka ị na-awọrị? Onye ahụ bụ ka agbara. If it is true na ahụ gị anaghị anabata ọgwụ, why is it that all the ones they are doing against you are working against you? So we have to use our number 6. Most times when I see our youths, the way they handle it, when I look at them, I laugh. Because sometimes we think that as I did so now, I get power, e get person wey im power pass my own, e get another person wey my own pass im own. Where your knowledge stop, na there another person own start. That is why you must not take chances. You must not take chances on yourself. You must not allow people to learn from you. You must not allow people to learn from you. I have done this, I have done that. Emego mu ndị iche, emego mu nke a, mee nke mee ka. Okay, things I'm now seeing results. Do you know that if an evil man vow never to let you rest, do you know that even if you spoil the one that he did, that he will go and redo it? And he will do it to something stronger, because already he know that already he na akọrọ gị drum. Already that you are not alone. Something is happening. And if you don't take care, they waste you. They waste you. I heard of a story of a man that died 4 days ago, 3 days ago. His wife had an accident on her way coming back from market and died 2 years ago. Just last week, the man had an accident also and broke his 2 legs. He was admitted in a hospital very close to my house, and he died after 3 days there. What do you think that is happening to this family? What they might be even chasing you. You carry egwu, your father and your mother carry egwu. If you learn carry egwu, your mom and your dad carry egwu. Nwunye gị na nwa gị carry egwu. So you have to make sure whatever you are doing to yourself, you carry your loved ones along, because omeimi omono. Currently, this man, his wife are dead. And the children, they are now the next people in line. So we have to wake up. That you did indeed cheer will not stop somebody or asaragi poison. Omamegi. Ninyere chigini will not stop somebody or asaragi poison or mamegi. Nine yarusi ben nagi marusi kunnegi will not stop somebody. Onyegi poison. Ire your mamegi. But do you know that there is a fortification you put on your body, and anything poison? Esendi iriri afisika. Osara anaghị afọ, ịmara na iri poison. Do you know that there are powers like that? There are powers like that. Do you know in your shop where you are selling, in that place where you are building, in do you know there is something you can actually do there to protect that place and to fortify that place against evil energy? Do you know that if things normally miss in your house, that is in your house, maybe thieves used to come to where you are staying, or in your house or in your shop. Do you know there is something you can do there? If anybody comes there to steal from you, instead of stealing, the person will start sweeping the place. You have to get yourself spiritually ready. It is about demonstration and manifestation. I have these questions. Let me just run and attend to these two questions. Eunice, what does it mean for someone to plait your friend hair in the dream, and when it came to my turn, the lady refused to plait me? That's your friend. Her call has matured very well. her call has matured very, very well. It is a sign of call. But if you have been told that you have call before, or you are feeling that you have call, this will be, that is a sign to show you that even if you have call, it is not yet. So it is that your friend that have call. So plaiting of hair is just like dada. This dada that people carry is dada. You understand? Most of the people that are being seen in that condition are these people that used to grow dada. You understand why they start the work. And you know that dada is power, dada is crown, dada is authority. You understand? So the person has call. If you know her, tell her, let her get herself ready so that she will not be suffering for what she don't know. How do one fortify themselves? They told me I don't need extra fortification, that I am already protected by divine. I have witnessed it too. My uncle tried so many times but couldn't succeed. Are you sure he has not succeeded? Are you sure the man have not succeeded? People used to think that it is when they kill them, that is when their enemies will have power over them. It is not when they kill you. If they are stopping you from getting to where you are supposed to get to. I don't want to start giving you message here online. Chat me on WhatsApp. Let me tell you what that man did to you. I don't want to start giving you an open message here. The only thing that I can say is that your forces are fighting in order to see that his plans are not working the way he wants it. But if it is existing, is there, or no. Like ijegbu afajo onwere onye na-agwọrọ m ọgwụ. Aga m emebi ọgwụ so that you understand what I am saying. Anything that somebody is doing to you to stop you from getting to where you are supposed to get to. There is personal crisis happening in your life. Let me not give you open message. You understand? I want you to understand that there are people that are destined that no man, no woman can kill them. That there are people, maybe that is what they are trying to tell you. There are people that are destined that as long as they stick to their forces, that person cannot be killed. But if they don't kill you, they will scatter your life. They will start stealing from you. They will start stopping you from getting to where you're supposed to get to. That is why you have to open your eye. You understand it? So that will be all for today. Send me a message on my WhatsApp number on 07037311663, or you call me on 09166911575. Thank you so much.